Turn on the water tester using the power button. Add a water sample to all 3 measuring chambers with a special syringe, exactly 10 milliliters in each. Cover the measuring chambers with a light protection cap. Press the 0 button. Wait until the countdown ends. The test can be provided only in chamber number 2. Press the T2 button to go to the selection menu. Use the up and down buttons to select the desired parameter. Click OK to confirm the selected parameter. Pour a bag of nitrite LR into the chamber. Using the special string stick, stir it until it is completely dissolved. Cover the measuring chamber with a light protection cap. Press the 2 button. Then press OK button and wait until the countdown ends and the test results appear. To turn off the device, press and hold on the off button. Run the other test if necessary. After providing the test, obligatory rinse the cuvette with clean water and prepare your tester for the next measurement. Wipe dry the cuvette with a clean cloth. If you have finished testing, pack your tester into the bag. PoolWaterLAB, perfect water, perfect moments, test, trust, and dive in.